Good morning. I am making sourdough cinnamon rolls. I've got the dough rolled out. I've got the cinnamon sugar filling all ready, and now I'm going to assemble. If you could smell this right now, it smells so good. Okay, here is the dough. I did my best to spread this mixture out. It is actually really difficult to spread out, so I wound up using just like a butter knife. But it's all spread out. So now I roll it. Smells so good. Look how beautiful it looks. Oh, it looks so good. Okay, now I'm gonna put them in the pan. Okay, these are all ready. So now they're going to sit, proof, and then they'll bake. See how they, ooh, babe. They look so good. Cream cheese frosting. So it's football Sunday and we are going over to my boyfriend's friend's house to watch a little bit of football, and I am bringing my sourdough cinnamon rolls. These are the beauties. Look at them. They smell so good. And then I've got the cream cheese frosting in here. Let's give it a taste. Yup. So I'm just gonna get this ready to bring over to their house. I know, Ellie. I know. I'm gonna get this ready to bring over to their house, and we'll warm them up there. Excited to test them. You get to lick. Hold on. Yeah. Everybody loves cinnamon roll day. Yeah. Yeah. Tonight for football Sunday, we'll be having pork with vegetables, and so Sean made some homemade pink lady applesauce. It's very good too, so going to be a great homemade meal day. Today's the day. The Christmas lights are going up, so Sean's out there doing that now.
Sweet leaves.
Beep, beep, beep.